game launch blocked by the Ruby Game Scripting System 100j module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. To start the walkthrough for Ruby Game Scripting System 100j module, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Ruby Game Scripting System 100j module, the core execution engine for the very first version of RPG Maker XP. It handles the Japanese, J, localized Ruby scripts and sprite rendering. Missing this file is a leading cause of startup failure in early indie RPGs. Users must install the RPG Maker XP RTP to restore this 20-year-old runtime. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The presence of the Ruby Game Scripting System 100j module DLL error indicates that your graphics runtime needs attention. I recommend using the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to fix legacy DirectX components, followed by a driver update to support any underlying hardware-accelerated files. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Ruby Game Scripting System 100j module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Replacing Ruby Game Scripting System 100j module without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Ruby Game Scripting System 100j module optimization concepts. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Ruby Game Scripting System 100j module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.